Nanograss has a patented technology that utilizes waves of electrons rather than individual electrons for transfer of information between 2 points. This phenomenon is much faster than what is conventionally done in the industry.
I founded Nanograss to bring the results of my research to solve real-world problems. What our lab does is that uses plasmonics as a medium of translating light information into an electronic form.
We can easily change the properties, the plasmonic properties of that two-dimensional electron gas by, for example, injecting electrons, and it makes it a tunable device. We have a very simple structure. We have a semiconductor, a couple of metallic or other materials structures on top of it, and then we shine light and we can detect that light.
We are able to detect terahertz radiation at room temperature, which is, basically a holy grail. This power and speed that we can achieve by going at relatively small scales in a semiconductor and then showing that we can carry the information for a few microns as fast as it would normally take to carry that information in 1,000 times less distance. So we have ended up fabricating, producing, publishing and showing devices that have very high bandwidth in hundreds of gigahertz. If you look at that in time, is a few picosecond response time. We're able to fabricate those devices requiring very little energy, both from the light and the power that you have to power up these devices.
And that's what we do. We make that bridge to make light into electrons that could be used in computers for fast processing of information. By using our product, that cost would be significantly reduced and would save a lot of money as well as time as well as energy. We have a device that is 6 times faster than whatever we could find in industry. We are now bringing this technology as a solution to the rest of the world so that they can benefit from what we learned in our labs. Technology is supported by the Office of Technology Transfer at Drexel University and the National Science Foundation to explore the market and find customers in the process of our commercialization.
I got to know the Nanograss team through the Proof of Concept Academy and the National Science Foundation I-Core. The Nanograss team is working on a really innovative technology with photodetectors to change the game in that space. The Nanograss team were committed to test those hypotheses with the real world, and they went on to do more than 100 interviews across the industry stakeholders to validate their assumptions. So that drive to figure out the value proposition and the potential target customer, that's what really separates the teams that are going to be successful and the ones that are not. The Nanograss team recently completed the National I-Core program, which comes with $50,000 in non-dilutive funding. This was a great complement to Drexel Ventures Proof of Concept Academy funding. Now the team has really clarified the value proposition and the target customer in such a compelling way. We at Drexel Ventures is extremely excited about the potential of Nanograss going to the real world and making the world a better place.